Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you a very quick and easy peanut butter and jelly smoothie, or a PB&J summer smoothie. It's easy, it's quick, and you're going to absolutely love it for the hot summer days. So if you guys love smoothie recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. This recipe could not be easier. All you need to have is a blender of some sort. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet because that's all I have. To that, I am adding some frozen blueberries. I like to have one of my fruits frozen and the other one fresh. So in my case, I have frozen blueberries and then I'm adding some fresh strawberries, a cup each. And then I'm adding some peanut butter. This can be smooth peanut butter. All I had was crunchy, but it's really the same because my NutriBullet is going to do all the work for me and make everything nice and smooth. And since my fruits are not quite in season, I'm adding some stevia drops. You can leave this out if your fruits are in season and very sweet. And then of course some ice and some milk. I used a unsweetened coconut milk, but feel free to use any type of milk that you have. And really, that's it. Just put on a lid and blend this up. This is just one serving, so if you wanted to double the recipe and make more, you can totally do that. It's just so easy and it really does taste like a PB&J sandwich. The fruits are just so nice and vibrant, and then the creaminess from the peanut butter is amazing. And really that's it. I pour it in a glass. I sometimes garnish it, or I just drink it as is. It's just so easy, so refreshing, and so perfect. It's a great source of protein too because you do have the peanut butter, and really if you wanted to add more protein, you can add a protein powder. That's it. Put a straw and enjoy it outside in the hot summer day. Alright, there you guys go. That is my quick and easy PB&J smoothie. I've been loving this, and I actually love having it after working out. I just add a little bit of protein powder and it's my protein shake. So if you guys love summer drink ideas, I have way more coming up, so just stay tuned. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.